Before we move to the last concept of the what, or the acid base concept, this boosted Lowry concept is has wider scope than what? The Arrhenius. That is, it has wider scope than what the Arrhenius, because it's the one that is what tell us that ammonia and calcium oxide are what? Are base. So, and this one is not limited to the what? To the water only. So the last concept of what acid base concept is what we call Lewis. So look at Lewis. The Lewis define acid as a substance that accepts electron pair, where base is a substance that donates electron what? Electron pair. Lewis said acid is a substance that accepts electron pair, while base is a substance that donates electron what? Pair. Thing is very easy. Lewis said that acid accepts electron pair. Base is the electron pair donor. That is Lewis. But boosted Lowry concept, acid is a proton donor, base is a proton acceptor. Arrhenius concept said that what? Acid is a substance when dissolved in water produce hydrogen ion. That base is what? Produce hydrozonium ion. So acid is the electron pair acceptor. That base is what? Electron pair donor. I believe you understand the meaning of electron pair. You have done it under chemical bonding. So you can go to our previous video on chemical what? Bonding to understand the what? The full meaning of electron what? Pair. So take for instance now. Let me say we have A react with what? B. So we have what? A, B. And if this what is B is electron rich compound, it has excess electron. So that what? This A is an electron deficient what? Compound. And they want to bond together. Abi? And this B now try to what? To donate this is own electron. This B donates, this minus means what? Electron pair. His own electron pair to what? To A. Donate his own electron pair to A. Therefore, this A will become what? Lewis acid. This B will become Lewis base. And the product formed here is a coordinate compound. Is a complex compound. Which is coordinate what? Compound. You know, if you look at the kind of bond we have here, it's also a what? A coordinate covalent bond. That is the shared electron produced by what? One species. So this is good example of what? of a Lewis what? Acid and Lewis what? Base. Let me rub this side and give more example on what? On it. Look at another example here again. We can have a reaction between water H2O plus CH3 plus to give you what? H what? You can have a CH3 H2O. Look at this reaction. For the convenience sake, let me split it like this. We have water with what? Lone pair. This CH3 is carbon ion. Is an electron deficit compound. This one need electron. Is an electrophile. So, and this one have what? Very much electron. It will now what? Donate this lone pair electron to this. He said a base is a substance that donates what? Lone pair of electron. When this water donates what? This lone pair of electron to this, therefore, this water, it will become Lewis what? Base. Donate lone pair. The species that accept lone pair, this is called what? Lewis acid. And what will be the what? The product form here? It will give us what? A complex in a sense that of we have CH3 H H or so let me do it that way. This is what? OH2. It's a complex compound. So we call it what? This is a what? A complex. So, in short, Lewis acid accept lone pair of electron, base donate lone pair of electron. Let me give you the last example on this. Now, have the action between NH3 plus BF3 to give us what? NH3 BF3. This compound form here is also a what? A complex. And this will be the what? The reaction. Ammonia is H with lone pair plus B what? Or no. Let me do it in this way. This ammonia H. This place we have is lone pair. So we have called what? Complex. The same thing is what? Lewis base, Lewis acid. We have complex coordinate compound here. This ammonia now is an electron-rich compound. This one is electron deficient species. I've explained it under chemical bonding that this is what is non-octet molecule. So the ammonia now what? Donate this lone pair to BF3. When it's donate the lone pair to BF3, so the ammonia will become a Lewis base. This one that is accept lone pair of electron will become a Lewis acid. Abi? And the product form is a coordinate complex compound. You will now have what? Ammonia H, this coordinate BF F, F. This is called what? Coordinate what? Complex. This is what? Coordinate what? Complex. So what we need now to us, or what the this is what I want you to understand here, is any compound that is donate low pair of electron is called Lewis base. The one that accept low pair of electron is called Lewis acid. And the product form is a coordinate what? Compound called what? Complex. So let me help you to put one example on this, please. Yes, let me put this one example to it. The action between ammonia plus hydrogen ion. So give us what? NH4 plus. This ammonia here is also a Lewis what? Base. This hydrogen ion is also a what? Lewis what? Acid. And this is a what? A complex. So you can draw the what? The reaction in this form too. You can draw it in this form too. NH what? 3 ammonia with its lone pair plus hydrogen plus to give us what? NH, H, H plus. So this lone pair, you donate it to this. Species that donate is called Lewis base. Species that accept pair of electron is called Lewis acid. And this is complex what? Complex form. So that is all about what? The three basic concepts of what? Of acid and base. Let me just help you to what? To summarize it what? Here. Let me summarize the table for the three concepts here. The first one, let me say, we have acid divination. Here we have what? Base. There be what? And we also have acid what? Divination. Here. The first concept we have, the first thing we have is what? We have Arrhenius. So Arrhenius divide acid as a substance that produce proton. Acid is a what? Is a substance that produce what? Agree is that acid produce hydrogen ion in water. But it said what? Base produce OH minus in what? In water. So the second scientist is what? Ghosted. Ghosted Lorry concept. This boasted tell us that what? Acid is a what? A proton donor. He said that what? Acid is a proton what? Donor. Why base? is a proton H plus acceptor. And the last person, the last man, which is what? Lewis. And his theory is more powerful than Brosted and Arrhenius. So the Lewis said that what? Acid is a what? Or acid accept lone pair of electron. He said acid accept Abi, he said the acid accept lone what? Or accept electron pair. Electron what? Pair. Where base donate electron pair. So here we have what? What? Concepts. So this is the table that summarize the acid base concepts. So that's all about the introduction to the acid base concepts. So the next aspect of this acid base is let us look at the strength of acid and base.